see. Well, this is the guy who shot his wife at the Henry Ford Hospital. Of course he's not getting any bond.
What's your name?
I have to get the whole entire story. I'll get the whole story and then we'll talk about it. But one of you guys asked about this, and this is that
Mario Green.
His name is Mario Green. He's a complete nut job. He goes into the hospital where his ex-wife works and basically shoots her over at the job. Absolutely despicable. Okay.
Thank you. This will be case 25059-589, State of Michigan versus Mario Dewayne Green. Counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. APA Larry King for the people, P78774.
Judge Philip Raid on behalf of Mario Green. We would waive the formal reading, stand mute. He has been advised of his constitutional rights.
Court will enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf as to bond.
Your Honor, the people request bond in this matter be set at remand. Michigan Court Rule 6.106 permits remand in cases where the defendant is charged with murder. In this case, it's alleged that the defendant entered a hospital full of workers, civilians, and people being treated for medical issues, and in that hospital sought out his ex-wife at her office and fired a shot, killing her. Your Honor, this is a horrific charge. It's first-degree premeditated murder. He is facing potential life in prison. Based on the nature of the charges, the potential threat to the safety, and the fact that he ran, he hid, he had to be searched out by police over the course of several days with the assistance of several law enforcement agencies. I think he's an unreasonable risk of safety to the community and poses a flight risk. The people are requesting remand. Your Honor, if the court is not inclined to remand the defendant, we would request $1 million cash bond with GPS tether house arrest.
Thank you.
Judge, I did speak with Mr. Green in depth. We are asking the court for some type of nominal bond and anything other than a remand, Your
Honor.
For what?
Right, well, the allegations here are serious as they get.
It's like, for what? What's he gonna do? So his attorney or the public defender at the moment, like, what's he gonna do? You think he's gonna just go get dressed and go to work? He just ran into a hospital and hunted down his ex-wife and shot her in cold blood. And what do you want him to do? Be out and do what? What do you think he's supposed to be doing? He's just supposed to go run back to the house, say hi to the neighbors. You know what I'm saying? He's a whole entire crash out. Exactly. Like, what is he going to be doing? Mowing the lawn? Take a vacation? What the hell? It's like sometimes people need to just like think to themselves, like, do you hear what you're saying? What's he supposed to be doing out on bond? What are you, crazy? People are going to be scared.
In this state, first-degree premeditated murder, and particularly the details of the allegations are just horrendous. Court does find Mr. Green poses a danger to the community as well as the seriousness of the offense. Court will remand Mr. Green to the custody of Wayne County Sheriff's pending further hearings in this matter. Next court dates are September 4 probable cause conference and September 11 preliminary exam. Both of those are in front of Judge Jacquet here in 36th District Court. Anything else for this record?
No, Your Honor, nothing further from the people. Thank you.
Nothing further.
Thank you.
Sir, you tried it. Okay. This is his mugshot, baby. Okay. Girl, look what they apprehended his crazy ass. Okay. All right, hold on. You know it all goes down on Facebook. Facebook got it going on. Okay, following the investigation by the Detroit Police Department, the Wayne County prosecutor has charged Mario Dwayne Green, 53, of Detroit, in connection with the fatal shooting of Latricia Green, 40, also of Detroit. Ms. Green was the ex-wife of the defendant and an employee of the Henry Ford Hospital. On August 26 at approximately 9:45, it is alleged that the defendant Green entered Henry Ford Hospital, located at 2700 block of West Grand Boulevard in Detroit, armed with a handgun, and knew that he was prohibited from coming in a hospital because he had past stalking and harassment of Miss Green at her job. It is further alleged that the defendant Green went to the victim's office located at the basement of the hospital and fired his gun, fatally wounding Ms. Green before leaving the scene in her car. What a bum. The hospital was placed on lockdown status. How many lives did he affect by this foolishness? Because somebody could have been not granted access into the hospital because of this foolishness, and other lives could have been lost because of this. People are going to the hospital because they need emergent care, and he's causing a lockdown. Okay, the hospital was placed on lockdown status. Detroit police officers arrived at the scene shortly after the shooting. Ms. Green succumbed to her injuries and was pronounced deceased a short time later. The Wayne County medical examiner determined that the cause of death was close range gunshot wound. More complete facts will be placed on record at court in the preliminary examination. An investigation by Detroit Police Department with assistance by the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, Michigan State Police and FBI, Wayne County Sheriff's Department, and the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office, and the Henry Ford Hospital Security Police led to the arrest of the defendant the next day, August 23rd, 2025. Green has been charged with first-degree premeditated murder, charged of a firearm in a building causing death, aggravated stalking, possession of a firearm by a prohibited person, and 4 counts of felony firearm. Girl, a whole entire period mess. Just awful. So yeah, we're gonna be following it. Someone sent me a note, asked me if we were gonna be following it. Why not?